Today, we are going to talk about one of the most inspiring, emotional and unforgettable moments in the world of cricket, Virat Kohli's 83rd international century. This is not just another milestone in his legendary career, but a moment that reflects his determination, discipline, passion and incredible consistency in the sport. So sit back, relax and join me as we dive into this remarkable achievement in clean and simple narration. Virat Kohli, the man who transformed modern batting, has once again proved why he is considered one of the greatest cricketers of all time. His 83rd century is not only a number, but a strong statement that he is far from slowing down, far from giving up, and far from stepping out of the spotlight. Even after years of pressure, expectations, criticism and comparisons, Kohli continues to rise with strength and maturity, showing the world that champions are built with patience, hard work and belief. This century came at a time when India needed stability and confidence. The pitch was not easy, the conditions were demanding, and the bowlers were trying everything to break his rhythm. But Virat Kohli stood there with complete focus, playing each ball on merit and building his innings with pure class. Every shot he played looked effortless, yet powerful. Every boundary sent a message that he was in total control. The crowd began to feel that something special was on the way. And finally, with a perfectly timed shot, Kohli reached the magical triple-figure mark. The stadium erupted in joy, millions watching around the world felt proud, and cricket witnessed yet another chapter of greatness. What makes this century even more special is the journey behind it. Virat Kohli is known for his intense mindset and unmatched fitness. He has faced ups and downs, injuries, form slumps and heavy criticism. People questioned his ability, his future, and even his hunger for the game. But instead of responding with words, Kohli responded with performance, discipline and silence. He worked harder, trained stronger and focused deeper. This 83rd century is a beautiful reminder that greatness is not achieved overnight, it requires constant commitment and a burning desire to improve every single day. As he raised his bat to acknowledge the crowd, his teammates and millions of fans, there was a sense of pride and relief on his face. It was the expression of a man who knows the value of hard work. This century was not just for personal records, but for the team, for the country and for the spirit of cricket. Kohli has always been a team-first player, someone who values contribution over celebration, and this innings was another example of his selfless approach. The commentators praised his technique and mental strength, while former players called it a masterclass of controlled aggression. Young cricketers across India and around the world look up to Kohli as a role model, and this innings once again taught them the importance of resilience and staying calm under pressure. It reminded them that even the best players go through difficult phases, but true champions rise again with more power and more determination. Virat Kohli's 83rd century also adds another golden feather to his already extraordinary list of records. With this milestone, he continues to chase greatness with unmatched consistency. He inspires not just cricketers, but people from all fields, showing that dedication and belief can lead to incredible achievements. He proves that success is not just about talent, but about the fire inside your heart. In conclusion, Virat Kohli's 83rd international century is more than just a sporting achievement. It is an emotional moment for fans, a proud moment for the country, and a motivational moment for the entire sports community. It reminds us that no matter how tough the journey becomes, passion and hard work can help us rise again. Virat Kohli continues to shine as one of the finest sportsmen of our generation, and this century will be remembered as another gem in his glorious career. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring cricket stories. Stay tuned for more updates, and once again, salute to King Kohli for his 83rd century.